Don't come here. Shift back now.
But this is something garlic.
No, God is the pussy. Shift.
Egusi soup. What is egusi soup? Me, I know. Me, I eat it.
Shift too.
Yeah.
Great to go out from here. Shift, my friend. So you cannot tell me excuse.
Okay.
Is okazi. Grinded okazi. This panla fish. Panla fish. The only fish that does not have taste but is always great inside soup. So I have to be keeping it on the ground here so that I can see what I'm doing. I see space to put another thing. So this one needs bowl. This ice fish. Ice fish. So I will not open it. You understand? Akobara, you understand? I will not open this ice fish because of the obara. Can the YouTube are Jimmy Bazwa once again? Okay. Garlic and ginger. Scent leaf. Okay. This one is mkpuraku. You understand? Banga. For banga stew. This banga. Fian. This is some periwinkle and another meat. You understand? The thing is wet, so I will not put it on top. That's all. So let me start work. Start cooking. First of all, I will take my thumbnail. It's let me take thumbnail before the weather gets dark more. And also, before I start preparing these things, let me just take thumbnail because after now, no more. So let me just take it. Good morning, fams. How are you all doing? So today, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, and I promised my kids that I'll be making moi moi for them. Understand? Because it has been very long that I make moi moi for them. Though they have been eating beans, normal beans, as in normal porridge beans. That one is certainly that you definitely cook it for your kids. So for moi moi, they have been on my neck for it. So today is Saturday. It's okay. This is the best time for me to do it. That is why. So join me, and as we prepare these beans for them, understand, we need to make them happy. Even it has been long, not even only them, it has been long I eat my mom. I just say, by fire, by force, I must do it today. Whether sweet or not, I will cook my mom. My mom must enter pot. You understand? We will definitely cook it. So I want to soak it for a while so that it can be easy for me to wash. Mama is sweet though, but you see the stress of washing it. I don't know if that is the reason I don't used to make it every day. I see some people making mama almost every day. These children, almost every day. But I keep wondering how now they take washer, because me, the washing, you see beans, washing of beans and the washing of banga. Oh God. When I dey see the work coming close to me, I just did have God, oh, will you send my helper for this one to come and wash? But not every time that the helper will come, you must definitely do it. So I just removed the shaft because I did not select the beans. What happened?
Are you done?
I'm not done. Oh, Chineke Israeli. Oh, to be in San Querenkwa. Eh? I've not even washed it. They're asking me, are you done? So guys, let's wait for some minutes so that we can come back and watch it. Understand? Just relax, enjoy the vlog, because this is vlog. I started this vlog yesterday. Yes, yesterday Friday. Today is Saturday. So keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. You understand? Also drop your comments on the comment section, because all of them, you understand. Snap it.